In order to ensure that the quality and performance of the equipment is at its best, we will carry out a full commissioning of the machine before dispatch. During the commissioning process, we check and test the various components and key parameters of the equipment to ensure that its quality meets our strict standard requirements. Now we look at the metal crusher running process. A metal crusher is an important piece of equipment used to process scrap metal, usually driven by a powerful electric motor and fitted with strong internal blades, hammers or gears, which are capable of shearing, impacting or crushing the metal scrap into particles of the required size. Metal crusher is widely used in the fields of scrap car dismantling, waste electronic product recycling, and metal processing waste treatment. It is capable of processing various types of metal wastes, including steel, copper, aluminum, metal alloys and so on, providing the possibility of reusing these wastes. Through the processing of metal crusher, scrap metal can be recycled efficiently. If customers have special requirements or customized needs, we will ensure that the equipment is adjusted and configured according to customers' requirements during the trial commissioning process. If you are interested in metal crushing machine or have any questions, please feel free to contact us.